How to start LeetCode as a beginner. Hey everyone, after solving over 1000 LeetCode problems and cracking interviews at top companies like Amazon, Google and Microsoft, I have learned a lot and today I'm sharing it all with you. If I was starting my LeetCode journey from scratch, this is exactly how would I do it. I'll answer the most common questions beginners have and share resources that can save your time, stress and frustration. Why even do LeetCode? You might be wondering, do I really need LeetCode to get a software job? Honestly, no, not always. Many startups don't focus on algorithmic questions, but if your goal is to work at a big tech companies like Amazon, Google, or Microsoft, LeetCode is your best friend. It's the most effective platform to prepare for their interviews. Which programming language should I use? A common question: which language is best for LeetCode? There is no single right answer. C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, they all are good. If you're completely new to coding, I recommend starting with Python. It's beginner friendly with clean syntax and tons of support. Already know a language well, stick with it. Just make sure you are comfortable with basics like loops, functions, conditions and built-in libraries for data structures. Does language choice matter in interviews? Not at all. As long as it's a mainstream language, you're good. Interviewers care about how you solve a problem, not what you use. Personally, I started with C++ and later switched to Java because that's what I used at work. What should I learn before starting LeetCode? Before jumping into your first problem, learn some CS fundamentals, time and space complexity, basic data structures like arrays, strings, linked list, tag, queues, trees, hash maps, algorithms like sorting, searching and recursion. You don't need to master them. You'll learn more by solving problems, but having a foundation helps a lot. Need resources? Check out the Data Structures playlist by William Fissett on YouTube or books like Cracking the Coding Interviews and Data Structures and Algorithms Made Easy. There are 3000 problems. Where do I start? Start by topic. Focus on one concept at a time. Arrays, strings, trees, and solve easy problems first. Once you're confident, move on mediums. In most interviews, you'll face medium level problems. Hard problems, ignore them at first. They are not the priority. Try curated list like LeetCode 75, top interview 150, top 100 liked questions. Avoid poorly rated problems. They are often confusing and demotivating. Give each problem enough time and revisit tough ones later for the revision. How many problems should I solve? It depends. If you are a beginner, aim for 300 to 400 problems, but quality is greater than quantity. Solving 20 problems deeply is better than rushing through 100. Learn from every problem. Reflect on what clicked. That's how you grow. How to approach a new problem? Read the problem carefully, understand the input and output, start with a brute force solution, think of ways to optimize, plan before you code. Coding becomes easy when you know what to write. Always analyze your solution's time and space complexity and test edge cases. When should I look at the solution? After giving it a solid shot, 20 to 60 minutes of focused effort, still stuck, check hints, then the solution. Then re-implement it yourself. Mark it for revision and revisit it in a few weeks to reinforce your learning. How to get faster at solving problems? Learn patterns, not individual problems. Many problems on LeetCode follow similar patterns. Master one and you will be able to solve many. For example, once you get the sliding window pattern, you can solve over 20 related problems easily. Should I memorize solutions? No, memorizing solutions won't help in interviews, especially if the interviewer changes the question or adds follow-ups. Focus on understanding the way behind the solution. How to simulate interview conditions? Solving a problem on your own coach is not the same as solving one in a high-pressure interview. Use the LeetCode timer extension to time your practice. Join LeetCode contests. They are the best way to simulate the pressure. When I started, I could only solve 1 to 2 problems per contest. With the practice, I improved. You will too. Do I need LeetCode Premium? Not really. It gives access to extra problems and company-specific sets, but most of this info is available online. If you want visual solutions, just search LeetCode and problem number on YouTube. You'll find detailed explanation for almost any problem. If you want to learn more about my journey from beginner to big tech offers, check out the video linked right here. Got questions or want me to cover a specific topic? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and good luck on your LeetCode journey.